Hello everyone, welcome to GTU. My name is Nosan DKD and I am one of the reference librarians here at the library. So today I will walk you through resources that are available through GTU library for doing biblical exegesis. In a moment, I will share with you a screen. Here is our library homepage. Today, we will talk about 3 ways to access to resources using through our library page. The first one is quite straightforward. It is searching resources in our library catalog. So right here in this homepage, you will see this tab, Advanced Catalog Research Search, right here. So here, at first, if you're looking for version of the Bible, on your right side, you will see keyword search tabs. So here, if you're looking for version of the Bible, you can just click the Bible, and then you can scroll through the version that you need. If you don't find it, you can just click and type it here. Okay, I'm looking for Burmese Bible. Here is the version that we have here at the library. The second keyword search here listed is commentary and criticism, especially if you're looking at particular books of the Bible. So shall we see? So here you will see the list of the books and commentary types or criticism or interpretation of that books or the bibliography. So for a quick search, let's look at the book of Genesis. So here you will see a list of categories, and on the first line, you will see the Bible commentaries for Genesis. You will have over 285 commentaries on this book, and you can click here and tap. And here you can also sort by year. That will show you the latest commentary on top. So in the same way, you will be able to find some topics and people and within the Bible. So this is a quick way. So if you're looking for worship, you just click here, and then you will see the list of books that deal with worship in the Bible. So another ways that you can also limit your research is just for ebook commentary. So let's see in Grace Home, I will go here. So you are looking for some commentaries, and you can limit your search to just ebook. And you will see a list of ebook that will link to the database that house those ebooks. So this is a basic, quite straightforward search using our Grace Library Catalog. The second way that you can search for your resources is using our guides and tutorial. Here, you can go to guide and tutorial from our homepage, and you can select this category, Abrahamic religions. And then there is 2 guides, especially deal with biblical exegesis. So the first one will be right here, and the second one is internet resources. We'll have a quick look at them. So biblical exegesis, that is helpful. This one is helpful for you to look at the printer sources, especially that we have. So when you click printer sources, you can select any category here. I will select multi-volume commentaries, and you will have a list of multi-volume commentary that we have here at library. And then it's also a short description of them. And here you can click one of them, and then you have a list of commentary in this series. So let's go back. And the second one will be internet resources for biblical research. This one come in handy, especially while we are at home doing our research. So here we have listed a list of websites that will help you do your biblical research. So for example, here, Bible Hub is quite popular one. This is a quick and easy way to look at particular text that you're working on. So this one is already pre-selected, Genesis chapter 1:1. And you can look at like interlinear one. So you want to do some word search or a Hebrew root word or something like that. So it will have the Hebrew root word and also strong number. So you can also further pursue that. So that's one. Another one worth mentioning here is the Step Bible is helpful. So here, here you will have a list of intertext and also Hebrew words and also grammatical structure, something like that. So this is a very helpful sites, free sites that you can have access from where you are. And another one will be helpful is this Pursuit digital library. This Pursuit digital library is good to search words within Greco-Roman material. That's a parallel to the Bible text. So you're working on some kind of ancient Greco-Roman material, you can just click one of these and then search within this commentary, you can search this book as well. So this is a two guides that will be helpful for your research. So the third and final one that I would like to mention is using our databases as well. So here in the library web page, homepage, you can select electronic resources. And I would like to highlight a couple of databases that you can find your ebook commentary. So if you scroll down, you will see EBSCO ebook collection. When you click here, it will take you to the database. Oh. And here, if you're looking for some commentary, here you will see 12 online commentary that deals with the book of Psalms. So that's one of the database that you will find ebook commentary. And the Brill book here you will be able to find as well. And this is one of, I would like to introduce to you one of the most important database to search for journal articles. This is called ATLA Religion Database. And you can click here. And here you will have 3 ways to be able to find the article that you need. If you're working on particular text, and you can use this scripture search function right here. And then suppose you're working on Genesis, the book of Genesis, chapter maybe 1, verse 1, and you can still expand it. You can narrow it. So verse 1, Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. So this over 1,500 articles that deal with that particular text. And then you can definitely narrow it down to only peer review. That will cut it down half. So that's a scripture text that you know the particular text. The other one is that you're working on some type of topic. You know the topics. Suppose that you're working on ecology in the Bible. So you can search. You can use the thesaurus search function. You can type in ecology right here. Here you will have a list of keywords entries. So here, ecology biblical teaching, that will be pertinent to our research. And then you can select that one. When you search it, it will give you over 200 articles. And then you can, of course, select it to peer review. And now you have over 130 articles that deal with ecology in the Bible. So the third way that you can search within this database is called publication search. This is good when you do literature review or if you're focusing on one particular author. So that will help you narrow it down. So I can again look for interpretation journal. Here I see journal entry. So here we will see a list of years starting from the very beginning of this journal, 1947. So you can search within this publication and focusing on particular author. So Brueggemann, Walter. So when I search Walter Brueggemann within this interpretation, I'll have 96 results. These articles are written by Walter Brueggemann and about Walter Brueggemann. So this is a way to look at the whole journal, but with a particular interest. So here, this one is ATLA search. So please check out our workshop schedules, and we have a list of it coming up in this semester, and you can drop in any one of workshops, and we can delve in deeper to those resources and also website that will help you do exegesis. Thank you so much for listening. Enjoy research. Bye.